Welcome to Outside Every Day with So Real. My name is Rebecca Sosberg with Road Valley Farm to School. Today we're going to be talking about plant parts. Plants are an important part of our lives. They're all around us and we eat them. So I'm going to challenge you today to find and eat all 6 plant parts. So first we have to know what our 6 plant parts are. So we're going to start by being a plant. Wes and Ellis are going to help me. We're going to start as a little seed. Under the ground, the first thing that comes down is the root. And then we start to grow. We're getting watered, sun, and we sprout 2 little leaves. And we grow more leaves, right? More stem. And then it's springtime. We make this big, bright, beautiful thing to attract pollinators. What is it?
Flowers.
Flowers. And then maybe the flower starts to die back. But we've been pollinated, so then we start to make seeds. And sometimes our seeds are in a nice juicy fruit. Sometimes they're in a pod. Sometimes they're in a little shell.
Sometimes they get blown away.
Yeah, sometimes they get blown away. So it's a windy day. Our seeds are blowing, and the seeds drop down to the ground and start that plant life cycle over again. So every day we eat parts of plants. What did you have this morning for breakfast?
We had toast
And eggs.
Toast.
So this morning, if you had, I bet you had a seed this morning or last night. If you had pasta, or if you had tortillas, or bread, right?
Burritos.
So if you had
Burritos.
cereal, yeah, you probably had some wheat. So wheat comes from flour, which comes from the wheat seed ground up. Or maybe you had some beans, another seed. Or maybe
you had some
almonds. Or Wes's favorite breakfast, oatmeal, little smashed oat seeds. Or maybe some rice.
Or
So we actually eat seeds more than any other part of the plant. We just don't always think of it. Or maybe some cornmeal.
corn tortillas.
Yeah, masa. So we're going to go out and look at some more plants. Come this way. All right. What do we have growing here?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. What part of the plant do we eat?
The leaves.
The leaves. Alice is already eating some. You can munch on the leaves of the lettuce. Come on this way. What are these little babies that are coming up here? Carrots. So we don't get to see the part we eat yet because what is the part that we eat?
Root.
The
Root's
root.
too small.
Yeah, it's under the ground and right now it's too small to eat, but eventually it'll grow. We'll pull it up and we'll get to eat that carrot, the root part of the plant. Here's another root. Wes, show us what's under the ground. We're going to pull this one up because these ones are ready. You find one that looks ready? All right. What is this?
A radish.
Radish. So we eat the root of the radish. So there's lots of other things. We have roots, we have leaves. Sometimes we eat the stem like celery or asparagus. We've got some leeks and some onions. So right now they're in their spring onion stage. We could eat them right like that. We could eat the leaf and the stem. The bulb forms at the bottom of the stem there. If we wait, that bulb will get bigger. A couple more things. Come this way. Same with garlic. Cabbage. What part do we eat? The leaves. We've got some kale and collards. Eat the leaves.
Wow.
Yeah, so let's look at this plant. As they said, this is broccoli. So when you eat the broccoli, you eat this part, right? The little trees.
Those are the buds.
The buds of the
The
flower.
miniature trees.
So there's not that many flowers we eat, but when you eat broccoli, you're eating the little buds of the flower. Same with cauliflower, right?
Yep.
So we've got some roots, we've got some stems, we've got some leaves. We talked about some seeds. Can you think of an example of a fruit we like to eat?
Plums. Apple.
Yes, definitely. Tomatoes are fruits.
Cucumbers. Banana.
Botanically, anything that has the seeds inside, that's the fruit.
But
So
what if it's a peach?
a peach, yummy. So go out, see if you can eat all 6 parts. Something that's a root, something that's a stem, something that's a leaf. Eat some seeds. Try to eat a flower. And what did I miss?
Fruit.
The fruit, the favorite part, one of our favorite parts. So go out, enjoy your plant parts. Thanks for joining us. See you again soon.